Turning to stories here at home in Central Florida this morning, a hospital worker is behind bars accused of sexually abusing a child.
And investigators believe that there could be dozens of victims. WESH 2's Bob Hazen reports the suspect worked at the hospital there.
He had a job here at South Lake Hospital, and investigators have not said there's any evidence connecting the hospital to any of the victims, but that, of course, is a very big concern. The man under arrest now is 44-year-old Aaron Starbird. He's facing federal charges and is in jail for enticing a child to engage in sexual activity. An arrest report says this started with an Orange County Sheriff's Office investigation last year. A detective posing as a 15-year-old boy on a website allegedly got messages from Starbird showing male private parts and asking him to meet up. They found out that Starbird worked here at South Lake Hospital as a systems specialist pharmacy technician. That did raise some alarms because they worried he could have had unauthorized access to kids who were patients here. The arrest report, again, does not say there's any evidence of that happening, but they brought in the feds to look deeper, and detectives questioned Starbird, who claimed he only liked adults. They also took his phone, though, and they say they found almost 80 images of child sexual abuse material and conversations with other people on Telegram about raping kids. In one of those messages, Starbird allegedly, quote, discussed prior instances of hands-on rape of male children and stated he preferred children between the ages of 10 and 12. Investigators say they were able to find one of the victims in real life. He was 14 at the time and met up with Starbird once in 2024. They don't think that was the only victim, though. In fact, the arrest report says they found, quote, evidence of at least 30 other children they believe have engaged in sexual acts with Starbird after communicating with him online. Orlando Health says Starbird no longer works for South Lake Hospital. He is being held in the Seminole County Jail right now on those federal charges with no bond. Covering Lake County in Claremont, Bob Hazen, WESH 2 News.